Hey there, explorers. Welcome. Today, we are going on an amazing journey to see where animals live. We're going to check out their homes, which are called habitats, and every single one is like a special little world. So, let's get our adventure started.
I bet you are. We're going to travel from hot, sunny fields all the way to the deep blue sea, and we'll meet some of the coolest animals on the planet. We'll find out where they live, what they like to eat, and how they stay safe. Come on, let's go. Okay, first up, we're heading way down under to the warm, grassy lands of Australia. This huge, wide-open place is called the Outback, and it's home to a very famous animal that loves to bounce. Go on, try it. Hop, hop, hop. Kangaroos are famous for their incredible hopping. They use those big, super strong back legs to jump all across the land. Did you know a group of kangaroos is called a mob? Pretty cool, huh? Sticking together helps them look out for any danger in those big, open grasslands. They're also herbivores, which just means they love munching on plants. And get this, a baby kangaroo, called a joey, is as tiny as a jelly bean when it's born and stays all cozy and safe inside its mom's pouch. So that word, herbivore, what's that all about? It's really simple. It just means an animal that eats plants. You know, stuff like grass, leaves, and yummy flowers. A lot of the animals we're going to meet today are herbivores. All right, wave goodbye to the kangaroos. Let's travel to a place you might have seen before, a busy farm. Shh, listen. I think I hear a little cluck cluck from our next animal friend. Bok, bok, bok. That's the sound of chickens chatting with each other. Yep, they use all kinds of clucks and little pecks to talk to the rest of their group. A group of chickens is called a brood, and they live in these cozy little homes called coops. They stick together to feel safe while they spend all day scratching around in the dirt, looking for tasty seeds and little bugs to eat. Okay, get your goggles on and take a big deep breath because, whoosh, we're plunging deep down into the cool, quiet world of rivers, lakes, and the giant ocean. It's time to see who's swimming around under the waves. Whoa, look at that school of fish. Swimming all together in a big group helps them stay safe from predators. Those are other animals that might want to turn them into a snack. And here's something really cool. Instead of lungs like you and me, fish use special things called gills to breathe underwater. How neat is that?
Okay, we're back on dry land, and now we're walking deep into a quiet forest. The trees are so tall here, and you can hear the leaves crunching under our feet. Listen, I think I hear the call of the animal that lives here.
Ow! That sound might remind you of a pet dog, right? Well, that's because wolves are their wild cousins. They howl to talk to their family pack, even when they are miles and miles apart.
Wolves live together in a family group called a pack. They're super social, and they do everything together, especially hunting. Working as a team is how they survive. They talk to each other with howls and also with body language, like wagging their tails or pointing their ears.
You know, you don't always have to go deep into the wild to find awesome animals. Let's head to a place you might see every day, the city. Let's see who's flying around our own neighborhoods and parks. Just look up.
Look, it's a murder of crows. Isn't that a funny name for a group? And let me tell you, crows are crazy smart. They can use little sticks as tools to get bugs out of tight spots. And get this, they can actually remember a person's face for years.
Okay, our big adventure is almost done, but we've got one last stop. And for this one, we have to wait for the moon to come out, because our last animal is nocturnal, which means it's awake at night. And here they are. It's a cauldron of bats. They spend their days all snuggled up together, sleeping upside down in caves or trees. Then at night, they come alive. They fly through the dark using a special superpower called echolocation to find their dinner. So, what in the world is echolocation? Well, it's basically like seeing with sound. Bats make these tiny, high-pitched clicking noises that bounce off everything around them. By listening to the echoes that come back, they can build a perfect picture in their mind of where everything is, even in total darkness. And that superpower makes bats super helpful. Are you ready for this? A single bat can eat over 1,000 mosquitoes in just 1 hour. That's right, 1,000. That means fewer itchy bug bites for us. So thank you, bats. Wow, we've seen so many incredible animals in their homes today. But why is it so important for every animal to have its own special place, its own habitat? Think of it like this. A habitat gives an animal everything it needs to live.
It has the right kind of food to eat, water to drink, a safe shelter to hide in, and enough space to grow up, play, and have a family of its own. It's their perfect home, made just for them.
And this is the most important thing to remember. The more we learn about where animals live, the better we can understand how to protect them. It helps us become better friends to all the amazing creatures we share our planet with.
Our adventure might be over for today, but your learning journey is just getting started. There are millions of other amazing animals out there just waiting for you to discover them. I wonder, which one will you learn about next? Thanks for exploring with me.